Let's get this party started! It's time to freshen up! For this party snack, you'll need a plastic cup and blue Jell-O. Pour the Jell-O powder in the cup. Add water. Stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. When the jelly hardens, add a spoonful of Cool Whip on top. Now put some gummy bears on the little iceberg. Make sure they don't get too much sun. Give them a little cocktail umbrella. Bears on ice make a great summer dessert. They're delicious, refreshing, and they'll look great on your Instagram. This party is so lit! But wait, whose glass is this? They all look the same. Is this mine? Or this one? Or that one? Maybe this one? How are we gonna tell the difference? Easy! Get the glasses and some photos of your friends. Put the glasses over one of the photos. Trace around the bottom of the glass. Cut it out. Glue the photos to the bottoms of the glasses like this. It's like a badge, but better. Let's see whose glass this is. Finally, no more confusion. Perfect! Now take a pair of plastic cups, a large one and a small one. Fill the large one halfway with water. Toss a slice of lemon in there. Put the smaller cup on top. Lower it in water and seal it with Scotch tape so that it does not pop back up. Fill it with water to the brim. Put the whole contraption in the freezer. Get it out once it's frozen. Pour some water at room temperature inside the small cup to get it out from the ice. Cut the large cup with scissors and carefully remove it. An entire glass made out of ice? It's a godsend for a hot summer party. Pour something tasty in it. All you need to do is add a straw and serve it up. Ugh, it's so hot! A cold drink from this ice cup will cool you right off. For these party bowls, you'll need several multicolored paper squares. Make sure they're 12 by 12 centimeters. Fold one diagonally. Bend the corners like this. Unfold it and bend the third corner upwards. Don't forget to push through the fold lines. Make 3 like this. Connect them by the corners like this. Put the layers of the bottom one by one and seal the bottom with tape. Make sure it's secure. Fill the paper bowls with your favorite snacks and put them out for eating. They're so unique and stylish. It's a great idea for a party. Best of all, you don't have to wash them afterwards. For the next idea, take a round metal hot pad and a cake ring. And parental supervision. Glue the ring to the stand with hot glue. Lay out several layers of small pebbles on the bottom. Put a few candlesticks from round candles on top of the pebbles. Pour some crushed dry fuel in them. Light the fire. It burns so well. Make sure you're careful so you don't get burned. Now skewer some marshmallows. Once the fire dies down a little, you can roast your marshmallows. Are they the perfect golden brown yet? Delicious! Is your badminton racket torn? Don't throw it away yet. We have an idea. Cut all the strings from the inside. Now take a wide bowl. Pour a soapy solution into it. Dip the racket into it. Gently lift it so that the bubble doesn't pop. And go crazy with it! Look how many bubbles you can make! Fun's guaranteed! Next, you'll need a piece of green foam paper. Cut out some leaves like this. Stick a piece of double-sided tape to each one. Remove the protective layer and glue them to the bottom of a balloon. Draw pineapple petals with a permanent marker. Make other floating fruits, a strawberry, a banana, and others. Hang them on a rope. The result is an original and juicy garland. I feel like biting it. For this idea, cut a lemon in half. Carefully remove the pulp with a sharp knife. You should have a little pair of baskets. Pour some cream in a separate bowl. Add icing sugar. Mix thoroughly. Squeeze lemon juice into the mixture. Spoon the mixture into your lemon baskets. Put them in the freezer. When the ice cream freezes, get it out and cut it into slices. Lay them out on a dish and serve. Those treats are amazing! They are tastier than anything you could find at the store. Just try them! The party is in full swing, but there's nowhere to just chill out. What to do? To solve the issue with the seats, you'll need a pool noodle and some ribbon. Cut the ribbon into short pieces. Bend one end of the noodle like this and fasten it with the ribbon. Next, twist the pipe in a spiral and fasten each coil with ribbons. Now take a wooden stick and a piece of foam paper in size. Glue them together. Glue the stick to the candy swirl. Well, let's test it! Friends, take these lollipops. You might not be able to eat them, but sitting on them is comfy and convenient. So how is it? Much better, right? And now get a few different plastic bowls in different sizes. Make holes like this in the smallest one. You can use a hot glue gun to do it. Make similar holes in the middle bowl. Now take pieces of a cut-up cocktail straw. Hot glue the pieces to the holes to the bowls. Next, take a long tube, put it in the center of the large bowl, and assemble a pyramid, the middle bowl in the middle, and the smaller on top. Hot glue each level together. You'll get a beautiful display stand like this if you do it right. What does it look like? Pour some water into the middle tube. Decorate it with flowers. Now take fruits and decorate the fountain with them. Make small cuts and catch slices by the edges. But what's a fountain without drinks? Take a bottle and pour it into the bowl on top. The trickles spread. The glasses are filled. Bring your glass too. There's enough for everyone. And now take a plastic cup and mark 6 dots on it. Use a hot glue gun to poke holes through. Now take the cocktail straws and cut them into small pieces. Hot glue the bits in the holes. Put the workpiece on an inverted glass. Put the glasses around it. Pour a drink. As soon as it reaches the level of the straws, the system will work and the drink will start pouring in the glasses. Quick and convenient. Cheers! For this snack hack, get some chocolate, melt it. Fill a syringe with it. Take a sheet of parchment paper. Make an abstract drawing like this. Roll the parchment up. Attach it with clothespins. Put it in the freezer. When the chocolate hardens, gently unfold the parchment. Get the chocolate lace out. It turned out a great decoration for milkshakes. The chocolate melts so beautifully in a liquid. Stir. Add whipped cream and sprinkles. And go to entertain a friend. Well, how's the cocktail? I made it just for you. For the next party craft, you'll need some balloons. Fill them with water. Tie them off with rubber bands. Make a few water balloons. Go outside. Give a baseball bat to a friend and pitch the balloons. Aim for the balloon and throw it. Haha! A game to hit the balloon and take a shower at the same time. Did you like our summer party tricks and tips? Which ones are you gonna try at your next summer bash? If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe